So here's my setup. We've got this little fan doohickey, and this is an example of one of my first prints. I mentioned the layers delaminated pretty quickly after I put any pressure whatsoever on it. And this was my temperature calibration. There we go. And so I went from 210 to 170, just like the example online. Excuse the vibrations here. And it looks like about 200, which is what I've been printing at, seems to be fully across right here. And if I had better cooling, I wouldn't get as much drooping. But 185 has almost no droop, which is right up here. And so that one has almost no droop as it is. And I had built this fan shroud, which actually did not even fit. And I had this fan on it. Of course, that fan is too big. But this fan blows so much that I can't even keep bed temperature. And when I tried to print this morning, I had to wait until it warmed up in the garage. It's probably about 75 degrees before I could even have the bed meet temperature anyway. And so I got the standard, I guess standard 30 watt, 12 volt power supply. And you can see this is the little tension spring that I had put in there. I am going to try to print another tensioner to put on this side to make that adjustable. Not sure why that wasn't just automatically adjustable. Here's some of the previous failed prints. And some of these you can see that was an infill of 10%, wasn't cutting it. And actually, since I did my calibration cubes that I posted, the quality has gotten much worse. In fact, I did a benchy, and it was the worst benchy that I've done since I got the machine. So, full of zits and bubbles and nasties. So, I am ready to beat it with a hammer. So any help would be appreciated. I've tightened it up. All the pieces are tight. Nothing's jiggling loose. I got Octoprint on this guy. I got another one up here doing Motion iOS so I can actually watch it, because you can't really run them both on the same Pi 0. But yeah, it's driving me completely insane. Any help's appreciated.